So this is CDC of Eleme community.
That's
CDC has been a strong encourager to all the developers and all the estate muggles in Banana Highland. He has been a strong encourager. I want to say that I love you so much. Thank you so much for all your words of encouragement to us.
This is Madam Messi.
Yes.
That is our mama.
Yes, sir.
She has bought a lot of land in Alesa.
Yeah.
We encourage her so much. In real estate, she's the top.
Yes.
Yes. We have a lot of them.
Yes,
but
sir.
Okay. And her land is genuine.
Wow.
So whatever land she's buying, I confirm it.
Wow.
From the genuine source, from the rightful owners, approved by me and the king of the paramount rule of the community.
Wow.
What a privilege.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You don't hear from the almighty CDC of Alesa. Plus, I give him 5 bossa. If I say they bossa, don't pass 5 bros. If I say pass 5, I be indeserving. You don't hear that. Even the king of the community for this new Banana Island is aware of everything that is happening. A very trusted real estate company known as Mercy Homes and Properties. All you need to do now to call us because the land they genuine. You don't need to fear. Nobody they scam you. Nobody they chop your money. As you pay for your land, they allocate your land, give you. You go collect your document. Everything go there okay. And everybody go happy in body. Everybody body go there sweet and cool. All the thing where you don't hear from here. Now to tell you say, we are tested and trusted. So all you need to do is to call Peku Mama, aka the Good News Mama, on 0903429651. And they wait for you. And now, Madam Good News, now I bring this good news for you. Mwah.